Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the green bean outfit for your avatar. So you can be team green bean for this week's update. Actually, it is the grow a garden versus the steal a brain rot update challenge. I don't know. It's that versus that. And if your team grow a garden, get this avatar and you're going to wear it when the update comes. So it's going to be here. It's going to spawn at the end of this area here. I don't know, at the corner. And you're just going to go close to it and you're going to select talk. Then you're going to select I want to join the cause. And then you're going to press OK. I already have this avatar, but you're just going to press OK. I already have it from the link that was on Twitter or something. But yeah, you're just going to put that on, and once you have put that on, put it on when the weekly update is on, and I think you'll get some special items from the admin. So make sure you are team green bean on Grow a Garden. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.